Candy corn, those colorful, sugary triangles, have a sweet secret. They're made with a dash of magic. Let's embark on a delightful adventure and discover how these yummy candies are created. Long, long ago, a clever candy maker named George Renninger, an employee at the Wonderly Candy Company, invented candy corn. He envisioned a sweet treat that resembled the beautiful colors of harvested corn kernels. The original method of production was labor-intensive, as each kernel was poured by hand. It was a labor of love, and the effort paid off. Candy corn quickly gained popularity, becoming one of the most beloved candies in the United States. Its debut in the 1880s coincided with the rise of the confectionery industry, and candy corn soon became a staple at full festivals and celebrations. To start our candy corn journey, we need some magical ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, marshmallow cream, vanilla flavoring, and food colors. We measure them carefully because it's like mixing a special potion. Sugar is like sweet fairy dust, and corn syrup makes the candy nice and chewy. Marshmallow cream adds a fluffy touch, while vanilla flavoring makes it taste amazing. We use food colors to make candy corn colorful and fun. The cooking magic in a well-controlled environment. The sugar and corn syrup are mixed in large kettles and brought to a boil. This is a critical step where temperature and timing is very important. The mixture must reach precisely the right consistency to achieve the desired texture. As the mixture heats, it transforms from a simple syrup into a thicker, stickier mass. The exact temperature control ensures that the candy corn achieves its classic balance between firmness and a pleasant melt-in-your-mouth quality. Let's talk about the layers. The hot, sticky candy corn mixture is divided into 3 distinct portions, each designated to become one of the candy's colorful layers. Here's where the iconic tricolor look comes to life. Food coloring, in shades of yellow, orange, and white, is added to each portion to create vibrant, contrasting layers. Once the coloring is complete, these portions are stacked to form a tricolored cylinder. The result is a visually striking candy corn structure that's ready to be shaped into individual pieces. Next, we move on to shaping and cutting. Creating those recognizable candy corn kernels is a process that demands precision and speed. The tricolored cylinder is rolled flat and then swiftly cut into bite-sized triangles. This is achieved using specialized machinery designed for candy corn production. Each triangle is meticulously shaped to resemble the iconic kernels. Now we will be cooling our hard work. After being cut, the candy corn pieces are left to cool and harden. During this time, the candy undergoes its final transformation, solidifying into the familiar, sweet morsels that so many adore. Once the candy corn has cooled and hardened sufficiently, it is polished to achieve a smooth, glossy finish. This final touch adds a delightful sheen to the candy's surface, making it all the more appealing to the eye and the palate. But why does America have such a deep affection for these sugary kernels? One reason lies in their nostalgic charm. Many people have fond childhood memories of receiving candy corn during Halloween, and these memories are often passed down through generations. It's a symbol of tradition and a reminder of simpler times. Candy corn's unique flavor, a delicate blend of sweet vanilla and honey, is another reason for its enduring popularity. The candy is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed on its own, used as a decorative element in baked goods, or incorporated into various recipes. Candy corn is a Halloween tradition, and its association with Halloween is legendary. The candy's fall colors perfectly complement the season's festivities. Children eagerly anticipate the moment they can fill their trick-or-treat bags with candy corn. It has become a symbol of the holiday, alongside pumpkins, costumes, and haunted houses. As Halloween approaches, candy corn decorates everything from cupcakes to cookies, adding a touch of whimsy to Halloween-themed treats. Its place in the seasonal candy pantheon is firmly established, and no Halloween celebration is complete without it. As you savor these tricolored kernels during the Halloween season, remember that you are not just enjoying a candy. You are participating in a time-honored tradition that has woven its sweetness into the fabric of American culture.